Hi everyone, hope you are. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into the total market capitalization of crypto. This is a condensed chart. It's part of a market health checkup that I do with you on a regular occasion. So right now, just looking at the total market cap, the ticker is total, and it's a condensed chart of all the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so it sort of gives you more of a broader look instead of looking at individual charts. It sort of shows you the health of the market right now. So straight off the bat, I can show you right now that you're looking extremely good because you're potentially putting in a cup and handle. Okay, and I'm starting to see this on a lot of charts. Here's your basin like that. You come up, make a level of resistance. You're starting to roll back to a key level of support, forming a handle. Come back up, break this high. You're looking at a breakout. Okay, from there to there, and this could potentially be a breakout. If you start to come up and break this level of resistance, you could be looking at a whopping $3.75 trillion market capitalization here for crypto. So it's all good. You are falling back to a key level of support. This is normal. I want to reassure you. Look to the left. You come up, you correct. 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 Even here last September, we had this sort of rollover, started to coil up a bit, started to break back up with the EMAs, and then we come down for a bit of a double bottom retest, didn't we? And create that beautiful structural double bottom right there, and start to pick up and make the high lows. Do you see that? High highs and high lows. Broken that level of resistance just there, and we were gone. Okay, and we had that whopping beautiful uptrend right there for the crypto market caps. From last September leading up to May of this year. Look at that appreciation. That was a whopping upside from there to there. It was around about 736% roughly. I'm not saying we'll go through the same thing again. Who knows? Potentially we might do. Get the supply shock in here, and we start to get really bullish for the crypto market caps after this correction there. We're having a correction here because I am anticipating something like this. For the crypto market caps, so we've got this one high, two low, three high, four low, wherever it is, and then a fifth wave taking us up to that $11.86 trillion market cap, which I've had laid down since way down here in January. Okay, so if we take a look at the weekly, just to remind you, on the weekly time frame, I did lay down the fibs here. Where are we? In May 2019, we had this bear market where we lost structure and support, which we've not done any of that so far. We were dear to the 55. Even there, when you rolled over, you lost the 55 as a precursor that you was entering a bear market. Look at the wicks at the bottom, the structural support there for crypto. It's very, very strong. But like I said to you, you've got really overextended. A lot of greed there. I think you had something like 7 consecutive green weeks without any sort of correction. And right now we're having that correction, and we're looking for continuation, providing we can hold support. And it's all about these EMAs. If you start to hold these EMAs support, especially on any time frame, the yellow line, which is a 20, you're in an uptrend on that time frame. Okay, do you understand that? It's when you start to lose it, start to consolidate, and then hit your head on the 55, which is the red line. That's your bear market. That's a precursor to a bear market. Come down here, look, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, bear market. Nothing you can do about it. Down here, consolidated, broke out, consolidating, break out, consolidate, break out. Do you see that? It's looking for continuation, and you're creating beautiful bullish patterns. I think taking a look at the daily, we did have a technical target just there, and you can see that was met. I think we laid that down in a few weeks ago. I said to you, coming up to a level of resistance right there, coiling up, break that, your technical target, boom, that target was met. Then we had the rollover. Okay, support, boom, 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 boom. Now, what we need to do, obviously, if there is another correction in the market, we do need to see ourselves hold a key level support, and it's this red line here. This is a 1414, okay? Because you're running into resistance and you're coiling back to the 1414 at the minute, the 1.88 trillion. So we can do some kind of double bottom down here like that and get the continuation. This is golden for crypto, because I do think, this handle that we're creating right now, we're coming back on ourselves. Look, we're creating this kind of handle. Support, break out, break this resistance. Once you break that, you're looking golden. You're looking at $3.75 trillion market cap, aren't you, for all of crypto? And that, with that, all your crypto projects appreciate, okay, and send us into the sort of year end there. But there is an impulsive wave which is forming just here. What I want to show you right now is the impulsive wave, which you are sort of beginning to form right now. So you've got your low and you've got your high, and you can see that pretty much, that impulsive wave is the 1618 and 2.92 trillion, okay, which was our 1618 from years ago, basically. I'll remind you, this is where I do anticipate that we're going to for crypto. Look, fibs, golden cross, buy go to beat signal, drop your fibs on, you're entering a bull market, confirmation of a bull market, boom, 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 corrective waves, impulsive waves, corrective waves. Right now you're breaking out, you break this high, you're forming up, you're coming up to the 1618 and 2.92 trillion. and with that, that is the next impulsive wave within this little sort of rollover that we've gone through, providing we can hold support. So it's confluence basically. So yeah, with that, I would imagine you come up, break it, start to fall in its support, then you look at a continuation, come to the 2, and if we can get that fruitful sort of 2.272, we're looking at $11.86 trillion market cap for crypto, and with that you're looking at a 200k Bitcoin, 20k Ethereum, and a $20 plus XRP token, aren't you? Because Bitcoin's not going to take all of that market capitalization. It's going to get distributed across all the alts as it is now. Okay, so this is why it's sort of tying up. So yeah, I mean, the cup and handle pattern here, I think that was 3.75, and that really gets the party started. That break here, and we could go for a very, very similar surge like that. That we've broken out here, started to break out, boom, we're up there, aren't we? Another pullback, and then boom, we're up there, aren't we? And another pullback, and then boom, we're up there, aren't we? And we're forming that beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waveform right there. Look, I'm anticipating, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to $2.27 trillion market capitalization. So yeah, it's looking good. You've come up, and you're falling back to the 1414 support. Okay, and on the weekly especially, you're above the EMAs, you're falling back into its support. So it's all golden. It's all absolutely golden. You need to see yourself above this yellow line to be in an uptrend on any time frame. Like I said to you, look, break out there, lose it, downtrend. Break out here, hold it as support, uptrend. Hold it as support, uptrend. Support, uptrend, uptrend. Uptrend is when you lose it, okay, and you're consolidating like that, you broke out again, you're falling back into its support. So if you can continue to do that, you're looking at appreciation. It's when you start to lose that, start to hit your head on this red line, the 55, that's your bear market sort of signal right there, and your confirmation. Do you understand that? Super, super bullish on crypto, full stop, at the moment. So it's looking good. We're looking really, really good here for continuation, and that is it. And the corrections that we go through are just normal. I want to keep reassuring you of that, because look, in the previous bull market here, look, you broke out, and what did you do? You always fell back to the 55 and the 20 support. Look at that, boom, 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 beautiful, beautiful. And this is where you are right now. You've broken out a kilo resistance, and you're looking for continuation in this bull market. So until you're not, you're looking at upside. That's basically a market health checkup for you. Okay, you're looking relatively good. I mean, here is some kind of bull pennant type pattern just here. You're creating some kind of horizontal. Even if you do come down and you put another low or a higher low, you're still creating some horizontal continuation pattern. You're coiling up into some kind of pattern, and with that you're going to get the break. And eventually when you do pop that level of resistance, you're looking at upside, and you're looking at a minimal 1618 fib extension right there, which takes you above this current all-time high. I think at one point we were something like 5% off the all-time high when we broke out a couple of weeks ago. But obviously over extension, correction, continuation. Do you understand that? So it's perfect until it's not. Time to worry if you start to roll over, lose a 20, and you roll over and lose a 55. Boom, 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 boom. Bear market. See you later. Take care, everyone. Back to another market health checkup. So far, so good. Thank you for your continued support. Bye bye, everyone.